Welcome to RaiGurukul.com. In this video, we'll discuss about numpy arithmetic function in Python. So if you are new to this channel, consider subscribing and pressing bell icon for more updates. So we'll discuss here how to use arithmetic function in numpy, and with practical example, I will show you the different operation which we can perform. So first of all, mathematical function is used to calculate reciprocals of all the elements in the input array, and arithmetic functions is a part of mathematical function in numpy. For integer arguments with absolute value larger than 1, the result is always 0 because of the way Python handles integer divisions. For integer 0, the result is an overflow. So for writing any arithmetic function, we need to import numpy library and assign as a np. Then here we are going to declare one number with the value. So right now I am giving as a float value, and if I want to print this number, I just have to write print and the number. Now it will print whatever value we have assigned. So let's give the response value when we want to make it to arithmetic function. So here num response is the name of the value which we are looking for, and np is the library or the synonyms we have created for numpy. So right now we are going to call as a reciprocal, and then in reciprocal value we are going to add the numpy number which we are declared here. If I want to print this, then I need to provide the value here which we have created with conditions. Now let's print this and see the result. So if you can see here, this is printed first because I have given here the print num directly, and I want to print the reciprocal of this number. Then you can see reciprocals of 2.0 is 0.5. It means the half. Now if I want to divide this number, or then I need to declare num1 as well. Two, and here 4. Now I want to divide this number, then I need to give the divide symbol, and inside the divide I need to provide the value. So here I am giving as num comma num1 and the same which we want to run it. Now you can see here num1 and num2. So here I provided the operation num is divided by num1 because we have given in the series. So in the same way we can also declare or provide the value of an array which we have created. So instead of writing this, you can just directly create the array, and inside that array you can provide the value, and when you will perform this operation you will definitely get the division of each and every array in detail. So that's how we can perform, or we can do the operation on numpy arithmetic functions. Hope you liked it. If you really enjoyed this video, consider subscribing and pressing bell icon for more updates. Thank you for watching.